welcome back to day 6 of Pujo Glow Up series. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you all this super stunning Ashtami makeup look. Now this look is perfect for someone who does not want to go for those reds and maroons and stick to the neutrals. I think this look is just perfect for you. So yes, without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I have already done my skin prep. Instead of a primer, I am going in with this Lash Shield sunscreen. It gives a very similar consistency like a primer. It's like little bit of a pore filling and also smoothens the skin really well. So I am going in with this. After that, I'll go in with my lip balm. This is the Plum Candy Melts lip balm and prep my lips as well. Now going in with a concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I use this as my color corrector. This is an optional step. If you don't want, you can just skip it and just go right into your concealer. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll take my damp sponge and ensure that there are no extra products on my face sitting, because I am again gonna go in with another concealer. This is from Swiss Beauty in the shade Sand Sable, and I am only going to be applying it on the areas wherever I want a little bit more of dimension and highlight my face. Now since this is a daytime look, I wanted my base to be really light and very easy to achieve, to be very honest, because let's be real, अष्टमी के सुबह के दिन उतना टाइम किसी के पास नहीं होता है. You just have to rush with your makeup and go to the pandal and give the Anjali. So yes. Okay, so before my concealer start to crease, I'm gonna quickly set my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. It's in the shade 15 Light. But before that, make sure that you do not have any creases on before setting your face, because you know what, you're gonna just be setting your face with the creases on, and that's not a pretty sight. I always say this. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush and just tap the powder into my skin and set my face really well. Again, going in with my damp sponge to ensure there are no extra products on my face. Next, I'm gonna just quickly spoolie my brows and move on to the eye makeup. Okay, so this is the only eyeshadow blending brush that I will be using to create the eyes. This is Pro Art PE22, and I'm gonna be mixing these two shades together and blending it into my crease. This kind of a blending brush is just perfect for beginners because it deposits the colors and also makes sure that there are no harsh lines as well. Now I'm gonna insert a rubber band from the back of the brush and push it till the bristles. Now doing that, what I'll get is a dome shaped blending brush, which is perfect for a little bit of blending with a precision. So I'm gonna be taking that brick red shade and I'll deposit on the outer parts of my eyes, and I wanted to create a little bit of depth on that area, so yes. Alright, so again I'm gonna push the rubber band a little bit more forward to make like a pencil brush, and I'll be taking the plum shade from the palette and I'll deposit the color a little bit up further from the brick red shade that I applied, and then I'll ensure there are no harsh lines and blend out the shades together. Okay, so now I'm gonna again just flatten the rubber band a little bit and make the bristles a little bit more flat and precise. Now I'm gonna be taking these two shades, the plum and the brick red shade, together and mixing the shades and applying it on my lower lash line halfway through. Okay, next moving on to the lids, I'm gonna be mixing these two shades, a white matte shade and also like a dull gold shade, and applying it all over my lids with my fingers. Also one thing, make sure to clean the bristles with a tissue paper or any kind of a cloth before going in with another shades. Otherwise you're gonna be mixing all the shades together and it's gonna just create a mess on your eyes. So make sure to clean the bristles before going in with another shade. Alright, so I'll finish off the eye makeup with some eyeliner. I'm using the e.l.f. pen liner and I'll draw a foxy eyeliner because I feel like this look is gonna look really well with foxy eye. However, you can go in with any kind of eyeliner style that you want. Okay, so in foxy eyeliner, you make an extension of the eyeliner in the inner corner. So I have learned this trick that whenever you stretch the skin a little bit and then draw the inner part, that like becomes a little bit more easier to draw a foxy eyeliner, and then you can just finesse it with liner as you want. Alright, so I'll curl up my lashes, and for that I'm using Vega lash curler. If you're looking for an affordable option, you can go for this one because it's very affordable and the quality is really well. Next, I'm gonna apply 2 coats of mascara, and for that I'll be using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'll just applying a generous coat of mascara. नेक्स्ट ब्रॉन्ज़र के लिए मैं वही सेम आई शेडो पैलेट से आई विल टेक लाइक अ वार्मर ब्राउन शेड एंड ऑल्सो अ कूल टोन ब्राउन शेड. आई विल मिक्स बोथ ऑफ those shades together and use it as my bronzer. So it's a very good trick if you are a beginner and you don't have a lot of makeup products yet you want to achieve the look, so you can do these tricks. ऑल्सो आई शेडो अगर यूज़ कर रहे हो तो थोड़ा सा पैची हो सकता है, सो टू इंश्योर दैट इट्स नॉट पैची गो इन विथ योर डैम्प स्पंज एंड जहाँ जहाँ पे ब्रॉन्ज़र लगाया है जस्ट डैब द sponge a little bit over there and it will be just gone. Next for blush, I'm using Colorbar Cheekillusion blush. It's in the shade Flushed Satin. It's a really pretty, very natural looking blush, so I just love applying it. Alright, so for lipstick, I ended up applying the same lipstick that I always do. This is the Maybelline Creamy Mattes in the shade Nude Nuance. Actually, मैंने इससे पहले एक red lipstick लगाया था, but to be very honest, it was not doing justice to the eye look. So I just went in with the same usual lip shade that I apply. If you want, you can go on with any lip shade that you want. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do is I'll take that orange shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'll just dab it all over my lips. तो ये करने से क्या होगा, आपका lip shade का कलर भी थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. So if you don't have a lot of lip shades, you can go on with this hack. और साथ ही साथ आपका लिपस्टिक स्मच प्रूफ भी बन जाएगा. नेक्स्ट I'm gonna finish off the makeup with some highlighter. For that I'm using Nykaa Glow Getter highlighting palette. It's in the shade 24K Glam and I'll apply it with a damp sponge. I have seen that applying highlighter with a damp sponge gives a very wet kind of a look और effect भी बहुत अच्छा आता है compared to brush. So yes. So that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so Mummy! आवाज होच्छे